Hey team, what's going on? Hal Wilkerson here. Hey, listen, I want to show you one of my tools that I use for building my business, and it's a company called listjoe.com. All right, go ahead and expand your screen so it's full screen and you can see in detail a little bit more. When you're ready to sign up for this, let me know. I've got a link for you that is an affiliate link that will enable you to sign up, and I can make a little bit of profit, and you do the same for your members as they sign up. But bottom line, okay, here's what happens. You go to listjoe.com, you sign up, all right, and once you get your account, this is what you do. You just log in to ListJoe. It's really straightforward, all right. There's always going to be a video. There's always going to be some sort of an advertisement. You just click through that. Over in the bottom right, there's always a members area there. All right, this is your ListJoe member home, okay? And let me zoom in here for you. Okay, so here's what you do. All right, it's really simple. All right, you go to email LJ members, ListJoe members. All right, you click on send mail. Okay, and I can now mail a message. You get to mail a message every 3 days. You send it to about 3,000 people. So I reach about 30,000 people a month just with this single low-cost solution right here. 30,000 emails a month is a lot of emails, and I get traffic from it. Okay, so mail a message, all right, and then the max you can do is 4,000. Basically, one credit is equivalent to one email. Okay, you can pay more if you want. You can click here to send more, and I have done that, and I have actually gotten results from sending more than just the 3,000. Okay. But so how many do we want to spend? We have 3, so we will send 3,000. And actually, no, that's okay. Yeah, I currently have 7 credits, and there's different ways you can get additional credits. You can do it through clicking on other people's, or you can do it from purchasing them. Personally, I just like to either buy them or just use the regular 3,000 that I automatically get. So by default, my message will reach 3,000 recipients. Okay. I have an email that I have written that is really that works pretty good. Now here's the deal right here. Okay, you need to make sure that you have a tracking information in your email URL. Okay, so here's the one that I use. It's actually a ListJoe, and this is actually going to be. I'm going to change this to ListJoe, and I'm going to do today's date, which is February 27th. So that way, whenever I have a lead that comes through, I'll know that I got it from this particular mailer. And you may be asking, well, how do I get that particular link? Well, right here in your back office, okay, you go to Tools and Stats, URL Generator, okay, and you set it up right here. Okay, you want it to go, actually I always leave it at default, but basically all you do is you just put in a tracking code right here. And that's a previous one that I've done. You can make it whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. You can call it whatever you want, but we'll just call this one ListJoe, and I'll make it 2/27/2010, and then that's it. Hit generate URL. Okay, you'll see right down here at the bottom. Okay, that's the URL tracker. So I'll select that, right click and copy. Go back over here to ListJoe and insert that into the ListJoe, the URL that you are advertising. Yes, and then actually, oh yeah, whenever you use a previous one, you always have to click load like this. All right, and now, all right, this is my email that's going to get sent out. All right, and this happens to have the old one, which is fine. I can again change that tracking code. If you have any specific questions about the tracking code, which this is a very important piece, please drop me an email or go into the forums and look into the forums in Carbon Copy Pro, and you'll see exactly what that is. But that's going to tell you where your leads are coming from. Okay, and yeah, actually, it's a little bit of a bastardization going on in this process, but that's the great thing about internet marketing is you're always learning, you're always figuring new stuff out. But that's okay. Send me a copy, and don't need to save this ad because we've already done it. You can preview it. We'll just see what the preview looks like here. All right, and this is exactly what it's going to say. It's going to have their first name. It says if you chase people to join, you have to chase them to stay, not me. Yada, yada, yada. A little bit of my story and my links, and boom, that's it. Okay? All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on OK, send this email, and boom, thank you. Your mailing is position 34 of 34 mailings. Okay, so there's 33 other emails that are ahead of me that are getting sent out. But that's it. I think this is about, I want to say it's $200 a year, and that gives you, again, 30,000 emails every month, okay? It is a great, great source, all right? So I recommend it. It's an easy breezy, easy to use. You just have to log in every 3 days and send it. You can purchase additional mailings. I've actually done a 60,000 mailer send out and actually gotten a lot of leads from that one. And it works well. So that's it. All right. Cheers. Take it easy, and thanks for stopping by. See ya.